In this video, you'll learn how to remove the Face ID lock in Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to disable the biometric security feature and enhance your wallet's accessibility. Begin by locating the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Once you find the icon, tap it to open the application. If this is your first time using the app, you may need to sign in or create an account to access your wallet. After the app opens, look for the settings icon, which is represented by a gear symbol. This icon is typically located in the bottom navigation bar or within a menu on the home screen. Tap on the settings icon to proceed to the settings menu. Once in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Security and Privacy. This section contains various security settings related to your wallet. Tap on Security and Privacy to access those options. In the Security and Privacy section, you will see several features related to authentication. Look for the toggle switch labeled Face ID or Biometric Unlock. This option controls the biometric security feature for your wallet. To disable it, tap the toggle switch until it turns off. You should see a change in the visual state of the toggle, indicating that the feature is now disabled. After turning off Face ID or Biometric Unlock, double check to ensure the toggle is in the off position. This confirmation is important to guarantee that the security feature has been successfully disabled. You can now navigate back to your wallet without using Face ID. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.